Cheddar Up review and tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to review Cheddar Up and show you how to use it. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Cheddar Up, you could also use my affiliate link below the description, or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Cheddar Up, it is an online payment and collection platform designed to make it easy for groups, organizations, and individuals to collect money and information in one place, in which it is commonly used by schools, nonprofits, community groups, sports teams, and small businesses to handle payments for things, events, fundraiser membership fees, and merchandise sales, where users can create here a customized pages, set up forms, track payments, and even accept donations without needing coding or technical skills. So now to create an account, you can click the link in the description or click the Get Started button, and after that, it will ask you how would you use Cheddar Up. I'm going to choose as an individual, and after that, just simply fill out here your required information, and that includes your legal first name, last name, your group or organization, email address, and also to generate your own password in here. So after filling out all of this required information, the next thing that you need to do is simply sign in our account in here or click the button below, in which you'll automatically need to also fill up this reCAPTCHA to do so or verify that you're not a robot. Once done, you'll now be directed on the homepage or dashboard of Cheddar Up. However, on this pop-up window, you also need to simply answer the question or choose your option in here. And that includes what best describe your group. I'm going to choose business and click continue button, and after that, how did you hear about them? I'm going to choose social media and click the continue once again. And from here, it will ask you if you want to create here payments information, forms, and many more. Now on this page, it will show you on the left side panel the collections, managers, and other option. However, since we're trying to create here something, you could use the template library on the top panel. And here on this pop-up window, it will show you a variety of templates to choose from, such as wedding gifts, template, community annual dues, and many more. For instance, as you can see, I just select the wedding gifts. It will automatically be directed us on the page where it will show us the preview of what it looks like when a customer or a viewers try to click this wedding gift link. So this is basically what it looks like, where a customer can enter the amount of money they want to donate for the donation for the bride and groom, and it will show you. And so on the top panel, this checkout option. To use or customize this template, just click use template button and click this customize template to proceed. Then you will be directed on the page in here. On this left side panel, it will show us a variety of editing tools to navigate. You can start also by navigating this, for example, this image. By clicking the pencil icon, you can click this add image button to start choosing or uploading your own image, or even a video from YouTube by entering here the video URL. However, but this page, I'm going to add here an image, which is this one, instead of uploading on my own. You can even change the filter, another kind of feel or design. And upon selecting this photo, just click the select button. It will show us in here the photo which has been added. Click the save button below, and it will show us that we have now successfully added the two photo, which is this one. Moving on below, you could also change or customize the title, the description of it by entering your preferred text, and even add an attachment, add the date and location of the wedding, the time zone, and in-person location if you want to, and many more. Now under participation, you could also add a fundraising goal if you want to show a total collected to public. However, under fundraising goal, for example, our goal for that is $10,000. And aside from that, you could also show the participant list to the public on your website in here by turning on this toggle. However, if you're now done, you could also navigate on the left side panel to add the forms and settings in here, and even this item that we navigate to add an item such as with a fixed price, donation, recurring plan, and many more. or even customize the form or settings, where we can add or link our payment methods, but you must have a pro plan in order to link in here your payment option. Under shipping and discount also, you can navigate and access and timing. And if you're now done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to publish your wedding gift website, and click the publish once again. If you're now done, you could also send an email for verification code to successfully set the two-factor authentication to be published your website in here. So basically, the importance of this Cheddar Up lies in how it streamlines group collection and reduces the hassle of handling money manually. Moving on, under this homepage, under reports, it will show you the amount of total collected money, total payments, and total payers in here. So you can track basically all of this in this dashboard. So basically, using this platform, it not only saves time but also ensure accuracy, since the payments and information are automatically tracked and organized. And overall, that is just the review and how you can use Cheddar Up. Thank you.